We gotta get Vlogmas done somehow, right? Hey guys, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and really quick, I'm gonna make a sleep support roller for myself. I mentioned in a recent video that I'm getting way more into applying oils topically lately. I've been diffusing them really regularly for a couple years, but now I'm getting more into putting them on my skin and I'm seeing a lot of benefits. So I wanted to make a sleepy blend for myself, and come along with me. Thanks for watching. All right, I'm using a 10 mil roller. I like these a lot. I will link these below. They're from Amazon. Now, I sometimes have trouble getting this part off. You can use the lid and just kind of get in there. You kind of learn to get the hang of it. We have an assistant. Okay, I, for myself, generally use about 30 drops of oil. And I'm gonna choose oils that I know help me with sleep. You can really play around and do whatever you want. I love for sleep cedarwood. I diffuse this almost every night. Lavender and frankincense. These are my go-to. I kind of hoard frank, so I'm gonna add just 2 drops of frank and then 15 cedarwood and 15 lavender. Can I put you down so I can do this? Because I just really want to sleep good tonight, you know? Okay, we have a needy baby right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. I said I was gonna do 2 drops, I did 5. That's okay. I'm still gonna do 15 of lavender, 15 of cedarwood. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You're so crabby. Already smells good. I love cedarwood. I didn't like it at first, and now I cannot get enough, and it's a very cheap oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's coming out slowly. 7, 8, 9. Come on. 10, 11, 12, 13. This must be my old bottle. 14, 15. Yeah, this is my old bottle. Okay, so that's how much essential oil is in here. I am also going to link this in the description. I love this because it comes with a pump and it makes this so much easier. You don't need a funnel. You just choo 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 choo. You have to make that noise when you do it. Spilled a little bit. But I'm doing this all while holding a baby, so it's not hard. You get a towel, you put the top back on, and you can kind of push it down, but to make it easier, just put the cap on and screw it, and it'll put everything into place. Do you need to be nursed? Shake it up. Should we smell it? Oh my goodness. I can't wait for this. So I'm just gonna like roll it everywhere. The bottom of my feet, kind of my chest, down my spine, whatever I'm feeling. We gotta get Vlogmas done somehow, right? And if you join Young Living under my team, I send you your own empty bottle, and 2 of them, so you can play around with your kit. There are so many different fun things to make, and stay tuned because I'll be doing more of these quick short tutorials. Have a great day and take care, mama. Bye guys.